This is a turbine that we sent for rebuild. It's actually a turbine that's taken from Mazda VJ20. Then there's an upgrade as well. The center housing, the CHRA has been upgraded. The fins has been slightly larger, and same goes to the turbine wheel, the exhaust wheel. And this has been calibrated well back to the wastegate operations. So what I can see is this is an oil cooled and water cooled turbine. So this is where I can build back my car that's been lying quite a while. The finishing of the job is very clean, neat, and I replace all the bolt into this model. And to make things better, they have even made modification at the turbine wheel so that the center housing will fix.